Any other. Hindsight 2020. We celebrate the memories from the past and look ahead to a better tomorrow. Take cover. It's Boomsday.
Oh, that's cool.
I know. That's cool. Ooh.
It's so cool.
How long does this last?
An hour, 45 minutes.
Ooh. That's my favorite celebrity. What movie is this? What movie is this? It's one of these movies on the shelf.
Heart. Heart.
Valentine's Day on Labor Day.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Lie awake in bed with the echoes of the amplifiers ringing in your head. You smoke the day's last cigarette, remembering what she
I
said.
know celebrities that can sing better than this guy.
Here I am on the road again. There I am up on the stage.
Sorry, everybody.
As I go, playing the star again. There I go, turning the page. Here I am.
I feel like I haven't even had one seizure, Mom. I feel like I haven't even had one seizure. Ooh, that's cool.
pretty.
When is the waterfall gonna start? Ooh. That's cool.
Smiley face. You see it?
Yeah.
Ooh, Michael Jackson.
Ugh.
Ooh,
Isn't
that's
he dead?
cool. Look at that. That was super cool.
Isn't he
Look at
dead?
that. It almost looks like a rocket.
Rockets that turn to fireworks.
Watch.
God, I would rather listen to Miley Cyrus than this guy.
This is a great song. Come on.
Well, I can tell you Miley Cyrus is better.
When you were young and your heart was an open book,
Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that
you
person.
used to say, "Live, let live."
Ooh, pretty.
But if this ever-changing world in which we live in makes you give it a try,
Ooh, that's so pretty.
What should I title this?
2020 fireworks. 2020 Labor Day fireworks.
Maybe the best 2020 Labor Day fireworks.
Isn't this Taylor Swift?
Mm-hmm. Which one of Disney songs would come on?
Good for a weekend. And I'll write your name.
Hallelujah.
It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah,
Pretty.
They're always finding stuff on the water.
Oh, the carrots. In this carrot heads.
Mm-hmm.
Seen this?
Huh?
Look at the carrots. It's so funny.
Carrot.
Yeah, they are again.
Ready and carrot.
That looks pretty.
That's beautiful. Ooh, did you see that?
Yeah, what was that? A bug?
I think it was like a butterfly or something. Maybe a moth.
Looks pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. I feel like they play this song every year, though.
They do.
That is so pretty, though.
They put the fireworks on the water every time. Don't they scare the fish away?
Pretty.
Not yet. Now. What did that spell?
Ooh, that's pretty. So pretty.
Good 15 minutes. This is like the best 15 minutes ever right now.
I love this song. in oh god, what's that movie that we watched?
I know. I know.
Sorcerer's Apprentice. Is this in Sorcerer's Apprentice?
It's I know what it is. It's just that it has to be oh, I know. It has to be. Oh my god, I know it. It's I watch the movie every time.
Oh look, their letters.
Oh wait, I know.
Look, WEBN. It's spelling out WEBN.
It's WEBN.
Okay, look. They're spelling out WEBN. Did you see that?
That's 17.
Dude, you seriously need to turn that off. You can't like play any of our talking. Can you mute our talking?
No.
Don't post that. Because we're talking in it the whole time.
Okay, so people talking videos.
Don't post it because people freaking see it already. They're watching it.
It's not that close to first.
Nobody's gonna sit and watch the whole thing for an hour.
I mean, how hard can it be?
Look, that's pretty. Oh wow, look at that. That's so pretty.
Muting myself.
What?
Muting myself. Hold this.
No!
Pretty. this? What's this? What's this song? Do you know it?
Yes.
Who sang this?
You can sing. Will you? Yes.
It's not gonna eat up all my juice. I have a charger upstairs. Oh
my God, it's a bridge!
It's a bridge, the bridge!
That is a bridge waterfall!
Yes, yes, I love the bridge part.
Look at
Woo!
that! That is a total bridge waterfall!
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's so pretty. I love this song. Prince, Carson. Prince. Yes.
Is that a song?
This is Prince's song.
Didn't they break up?
Prince. This is Prince's song.
Who's Prince? Who is Prince?
And then you started to cry. Nikki. Oh, look at those.
Whenever you wanna grow.
You don't have to know.
Love them. Those look so pretty.
You don't have to know what's in my hand. Get it? Because they're saying
what they
what's
just
in your
made.
hand. No, they're saying what's in your hand.
What's in your head?
Well, they're seeing the lyrics.
In your head. In your
Oh. Is this part of the Greatest Showman song?
No.
This is like...
God, a lot of old songs to this year. Into the streets. Too many people. We're getting close to the finale, Carson.
Woohoo! Oh yeah, the finale part is coming up, guys.
It's gonna be the finale. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty.
That is
Yes.